UltraFlex introduced a product on the market about a year or so ago, and it is called the UltraFlex Signetics LTX Magnetic Receptive Film. Kind of a long name. UltraFlex Signetics LTX Magnetic Receptive Film. This is a certified media. It has been tested by our team at HP, evaluated. All you have to do is purchase it, go to the printer, download it into the printer. You can print directly to it. One of the big advantages of certified media is we do the evaluation. Now, maybe you're asking, what's this for? It's an interesting product. What this is it's used in a magnetic system for, say, point of purchase or point of sale, but this itself is not the magnet. This is what's attracted to a magnet. The way it works is, it's a system. It's two parts. You purchase a product from UltraFlex that goes on the wall. Normally, I put it on the wall with adhesive, but I have also seen put it on the wall with a attracted paint, where you're going to put it on the wall, and then the film that goes on the wall is attracted to a paint which is magnetized, but I generally prefer the adhesive. So you take a magnetic film and you put it on a wall, and it covers the whole wall or whatever portion of the wall you want to be magnetized. That's a strong magnet. This film that you print on is impregnated with basically ferrous film, and it's highly attracted to the magnet that you put on the wall. Essentially, this is the steel and that's the magnet. It's attracted to the magnet, and it's going to give you a much stronger bond on the wall. What's nice about it is it is a toolless system. So once you've established your magnet on the wall, you can print on this film at any time, put it where you want it. You don't have to have any tools. All you have to do is roll it out and put it in place. And then when you're done, you just roll it in, put it in the tube, and put something else up. It's very nice for things like seasonal change-outs, price changes, things where you're going to be doing changing on a regular basis, and the team that you have changing doesn't necessarily have the skill set to go in and fabricate things. You just give them products, they can roll it up and put it away. What's also nice is you save the product from last time. So if you want to use it again, you don't have to throw everything away because you've torn it apart. All you have to do is peel it off and store it into a tube. So you might have, say, Christmas decor, you might have Halloween decor, you might have New Year's decor, you might have spring decor. And every time you do that, you save the old displays. Maybe you don't want to use them, maybe you do, but it does provide you the option that you can always reuse things if you want to, because you're not disassembling everything, you're just peeling it off and storing it. This is a magnetic attracted point and purchase and point and sale display system. I've seen beautiful installs, entire walls done with this. It looks fantastic. And this is by UltraFlex. It is certified media. It's available right on the media locator. You can download it from the printer. It is the UltraFlex Signetics LTX Magnetic Receptive Film. I would generally classify it under wall covering, but it kind of crosses a lot of different categories. It's a unique product, and it's very cool. Prints beautiful, looks great. Our classic latex scratch and scuff resistance, I probably would not laminate this inside. I just don't think it's necessary.